Text, put it here. The beach. Yep, that's the one. Okay. Okay. Is it too much? Yep. Let's make it. He does not work. Just you fall down in there. Headshot. Text, hurry. There you go. That's the big. Oh my God, the dirty fish. The dirty fish. There you go. And there's the fish. Who put buzzers in this way? Text. What do you see? What do you see? Let me see. Oh, white floating. Oh yeah. Wait. Wait, not that. Sorry, betx.
Betx.
Stop it, go ahead. That's my friend's betx. Stop it. Okay, good, betx. Good. Is it good? Wait. Okay. Hey, stop it! He will cry. Stop it. Stop saying that. He will cry. Okay, good. Good, betx. Okay, good. You say good. Okay. Shirt wheels. Okay. Shirt wheels and pictures. Come on, betx. Let's go. Oh yeah, betx. Give me something. Look. Betx, what are you doing? Never mind, betx is trying to do something. Betx, let's dance. Three, two, one, betx, go. Oh, why am I not dancing? Wait. Three, two, one, go. Good, yeah, come here. It's a dance party here. It's swimming pool. Tex, what are you doing? Oh my God. What is going on? I'm looking at okay, guys. Okay. What you do? Snipers. Okay, but this is out in the Texas good. Okay, this is a monster fish. He's angry. Fishies, fishies. We may have a sword, octopus. Fishies, fishies, big fish. Look how much fish he got. Look at this lake. Look at this rock. Look at this beautiful island here. Grass. Oh my God. Look at this. Wow. Dun, 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 dun. Dex, what are you doing? Dex, what are you doing? Ew, stop kissing the fish. Stop it. Ew. Ew, what is that? Stop kissing the fish. Stop. Yeah. Kissing. Okay, yeah, spell fish. Okay. Good, yeah, spell fish.
F-I-S-H.
Wait, what do you say?
F-I-S-H.
F-I.
Fish.
There it is. Stop kissing. Stop kiss fish. The fish. What is going to say? No more water? There's no more water. Yeah, no more water.
There's water.
There's no water. Check.
That's the aircon is bleeding water.
I just off.
Why you off it?
Because there's no more water. I saw it. I say ladybug. Look, it's a ladybug. Yeah, look, it's a ladybug. Go, yeah, look, it's a ladybug. A ladybug. I found a ladybug.
Where? That's a gas tank.
No, that's a ladybug. It's a ladybug. Go, yeah, I found.
Gas tank.
No, it's a ladybug gas tank. Look. Hey, yo.
A story about 4 buddies who are willing to die for their work. What?
What? It's a ladybug. Okay, let's sit.
Drawing stinker. The end. The end.
So yes, I'll subscribe.
They can still hear you.
What?
What you're saying because of the mic.
What?
Should I be quiet?
Yep.
Then press this.